Dear friends in the chemical fiber industry, after years of cooperation, we deeply understand that stability and efficiency are the core of production. A good product must be made from good raw materials.
Our factory's tackifying tech boosts the raw material's viscosity, making our products bond way better. For easier use and faster packaging, we cut our PET strapping into fixed lengths. Workers can get the packaging done with just a few simple steps. It boasts an ultra-strong tensile force of 8,298 newtons, hitting H-grade standards way higher than regular ones. It breaks with a neat, smooth cut, so no tiny scraps end up mixing with chemical fiber products. Unbeatable quality. Even if the packaged goods drop from a height, our strapping won't snap at all.
We offer custom weight, thickness, length, and colors. Give you design specs in the comments, and we will provide one-on-one tailored specs for you.